Orutindo nirija kumaraho biliyoni 12 mu sente za Uganda konka musa echweru oruseti Minisita w'Emirimo n'Entambura nagira mu contractor atakora emirimo y'ekishobovu.
I just want an excellent bridge that can withstand any force of water. So, Madam Contractor, you have a big job. You are building a bridge for Prem 70. You are building a bridge for Musa de Umuko. You are building a bridge for the engineer-in-chief, the son of the place. So, 3 big stakeholders.
Agnes PC or contractor wa Ampas Technical Services Limited najya ngutubara akore mu magona gw'ekishobovu.
At the same time, we also constructed the Pondra Bridge at the border of DRC. So we are experienced in this, and I can assure you that we are going to deliver quality services, and the government will realize value for money.
This construction is going to enhance the transport system of both the communities and the people. And this one is going to, in fact, enhance the livelihoods.
That the people of Kasese are now on the right track to fight poverty, because they will be able to access markets with ease, and their produce will even attract the value, because people will come to buy free. I mean, they will come and buy food.
Honorable Herod Tony Muhindo horiyo mwishengero wabo Konzo East unagiranga abantu bingi bakwirira umujerogo ogwanya mugashani.
I have always mentioned that even where the site for this bridge was located is a graveyard of some 2 people who perished, drowned from this river, just from where the bridge is being done.
Orutindo rwa Cyamujumba nurushangwa hamjera gwa Nyamugashani. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhangs.